At a time when traditional investment options are declining in value and are more risky than ever, a new investment opportunity has emerged, enabling savvy investors to generate high returns while nearly guaranteeing their initial investment.
The challenge with investing in foreclosures today and taking advantage of the tremendous opportunities that marketplace provides is that the auctions still require 100% of cash at the time of auction to even bid. So the real value, the real benefit of River Forest Financial is to provide savvy investors with the capital they need to be able to participate and benefit from the tremendous opportunities.
We searched high and low for a company, for a rich uncle, a company that would come down here and help us invest, come up with the money. We couldn't find anybody. I mean, we found a few people, but River Forest was able to come to the table with a lot of money. I mean, over the last several months, we've been able to purchase over $2 million worth of property at the auction. We wouldn't have been able to do that without River Forest.
Well, interestingly, it's far outpaced my traditional investments over the last few years. In fact, we haven't lost a penny in any of our private mortgage investing through River Forest Financial. But on the other hand, my stock market portfolio is down, it's down millions of dollars, to be honest.
Short-term foreclosure lending is one of the safest, most reliable, best performing investment opportunities on the market today.
Our borrowers are buying properties so much below market value, typically in the range of 50 to 70% of market value. Add to that the 25% down payment that they make at purchase time, which we require, and our average loan to value is in the neighborhood of 50 to 52%. That creates an extremely safe investment for River Forest Financial and our investors.
Thanks to them, we're realizing 20% return on our investments, which, do the math on $2 million. The help that River Forest has given us is to be able to kind of wade through that process. In other words, in terms of helping us find a property, doing the research for us, helping us with the research, looking at title on a property, looking at the comps, the most recent comps, and that's a big part of what's going on right now, because the comps, the actual sale prices of properties are changing from month to month. So you have to have accurate, up-to-date information on the fly, because in a lot of cases we get about 20-30 minutes to do the research on a property down here at the auction before it actually goes. So River Forest has been able to help us with that process, not only with the research, but with the money. And the money is the big part of the deal.
River Forest Financial is one of the only companies in the country helping borrowers buy real estate at a fraction of its value through the foreclosure process, enabling private mortgage investors who help fund those purchases to earn double-digit returns on their invested dollars.
We look at every single property, we look at every loan we do, and we make a decision about the likelihood of payoff. And we don't invest unless we feel it's near 100% chance it's going to pay off.
In all the years I've been doing this, I've never seen anybody give a program like this out there, make it available to the public. And when people will try to deliver something, they say, oh, we can do this, many times it falls through. River Forest has gone through the steps of making this work. I've seen it work firsthand, where people come to the sales, they put their 25% down, River Forest is standing there right next to them, they buy the property, and then they're ready to go do it again.
The big banks have all but ignored the foreclosure markets, incorrectly assuming them to be too unconventional. But with the right investment strategy, mortgage investment opportunities for distressed properties can be among the safest investments on the market today. And for investors who take the role of the bank and front the capital, a proven stream of high-rate returns will follow.
We achieve 15% return every 30 to 60 days on a product. So for example, if we buy something for $300,000, we realize $45,000 in profit within 60 days.
We now have the ability to get status updates from the trustees and the banks literally every 15 minutes on properties going to auction that day, and notify you of significant events. For example, we did a loan a couple weeks ago now where the first position on a property was 444, but the property was only worth 381. So nobody looked at the property, nobody paid any attention to it because it's upside down. No investor's going to buy that property. Well, the morning of the auction, not an hour before the auction, in fact, the bank notified the trustee to drop the opening bid to 144. They dropped it from $444 to $144, $300,000 opening bid drop. Now there's dramatic opportunity. Our borrower, who was using our system, got an email notifying them of the price drop. They had, like I said, about an hour to do something about it. They drove the property, we made the phone calls, we did the title, the due diligence, all the things we do to make a wise decision on an investment, both for our benefit and for the benefit of our borrowers. And when the auction came to be, our borrower was the only one ready to go. They were the only one who even knew about the opportunity, and they bought it for a penny over. The investments we've made in technology and procedures and people and policies have taken the risk out of an extremely risky marketplace and have left investors with a low-risk, high-return opportunity.
River Forest Financial brings decades of real estate experience and more than 20 years of private mortgage investment success to the market, using cutting-edge technology to make private mortgage investing fast, easy, safe, and highly profitable. If you would like more information on this exciting investment opportunity with River Forest Financial, call us today at 425-945-0100 or log on to our website at www.riverforestfinancial.com.